Okay, now if they ask you this question, cos minus pi over 2, to find the value of exact value of cos pi over 2, what is the trick? The trick is to go to go clockwise now, because it's a negative sign. Negative sign says that calculate the angle in the clockwise direction. So now this will be pi over 2. This is pi. This is 3 pi over 2. This is 2 pi. Right? So you will go like this. Now let's calculate. This is 0. This is 0. This is pi over 2. This is 3 pi over 2. Sorry, this is 1 pi over 2. This is 2 pi over 2. This is 3 pi over 2. This is 4 pi over 2. And this is 5 pi over 2. So pi over 2 value and 5 pi over 2 values are same. See? But we just have rotated from here. Right? We completed one whole circle and came back over here. So my pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2 value is the same. So what is the value of, since we are talking about cos, so what is the value of x over here? The value of x is 0 here. So cos minus 5 over 2 is equals to 0. Okay? Why it's equals to 0? Because at 5 pi over 2, if you see this here, y is equals to minus 1. But what is x? X is equals to 0 here. See? X is 0 here. So that's why cos of minus pi over 2, 5 pi over 2 is 0. Now let's say one more example I'll do. Let's say, let's calculate for sine 7 pi over 2. Yeah. So this is 0. This is pi by 2. This is 2 pi by 2. This is 3 pi by 2. This is 4 pi by 2. This is 5 pi by 2. This is 6 pi by 2. This is 7 pi by 2. Right? So 7 pi by 2 and pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 value is the same. Right? So what is y at this point? It is minus 1. So the value of sine 7 pi over 2 is minus 1. So these are easy questions where it's given that the multiples of the angles are actually multiples of 0, pi or pi by 2. So it's very easy. Just you just go and rotate and you see that, okay, fine, x is 1 here, y is 1 here, x is 0 here, you know. These are easy questions. In the next videos, I'll teach you that how you can actually calculate the exact values for the angles which are not 0, pi or pi by 2 multiples.